Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have two boxes from Nosherie. So this Nosherie, I've told you all about it before, but in case you're new around here, Nosherie is an app. It's an app that is for an iPhone and an iPad, and any Apple product, you can get the app. They're new. They've only been around a couple of months, and it's for snacks, for free snacks. So when they get all their little quirks and things worked out, they are going to eventually have an Android app. And I will be the first to tell you. As soon as I know, I will let y'all know. But in the meantime, if you have an iPhone, an iPad, an Apple computer, those kinds of things, I think it'll work if you have an Apple Watch and things like that. Wherever you can put an app. You put this app on, and they ask for your address and your phone. And then what you do is you vote, so to speak, on snacks. A picture of a snack comes up, and you say, there's a heart, I think, and maybe an X or something, or a heart with an X in it, if you think you would like it or not. And you let them know if you think you would like it or not. And as you vote on these things, you earn, it's at the bottom, it's in days. So once you get 7 days, now it may take you longer than 7 days to actually get the 7 days, but once you get that, then you earn a box. And there's drinks and snacks. Lately, there's been no drinks. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But the first box I ever got had a drink in it, and it was 20 degrees outside, so it got frozen. So maybe they stopped that until the weather is better. I'm not sure. And I don't know what will happen in the summer if it's real hot, if they send drinks. But anyway, let's see what we got. I got two different boxes. Now, when you win a box, when you earn a box, whichever way you want to call it, then you go in and you pick. They have a 2 or 3 or 4 boxes to pick from. And what's happened to me is I've gotten sort of ahead of the game, and there's no boxes left for me to pick. So when I earn something, I have to wait for a box to be available because they're just so new. They're working out all the kinks from all sides, from the website to the business itself. So just be patient, and they'll get some snacks in, and then you will see what you'll get. So let's just see. I'm gonna have them both open. So let's see what I got. And they're usually sample sizes. Sometimes you might get something that's full size. So you get a card in your box. There is if you're looking for the app, you'll see that, and then that's it, Nosherie. So noshing is snacking, so Nosherie. So what I'm gonna do, what you would do at home is you would test these products out, and then you go back in the app and let them know what you think about the products. And it's really easy to do. So in that box, I got 3 items, these 3 items. Let's see what I got. And the thing about these snacks is they're mostly healthier snacks and maybe things that are good for you. So a lot of them are vegan and that type of thing. So just different things than the regular everyday snacks that we get. So this here looks good. It's called Bada Bean, Bada Boom. And this is buffalo wing flavor. It says Go Beans, and there's 110 calories in here, and there's 6 grams of protein. So this is, a good healthy snack. But it's gonna taste good. I honestly gotta tell y'all, I'm not picky. I like food, but I'm picky if it's gonna be, vegan or this, that, or the other. I'm like, and it's not gonna taste good, I'm not gonna eat it. And so far, all the snacks that I have tasted have been really, really good. I've been surprised. And sometimes there might be like a protein bar, that kind of thing. So this particular package has 110 calories, and that is for the whole serving of this. It says it's broad beans with plant-based protein and fiber, roasted for crunch, and seasoned to perfection. So isn't that interesting? I mean, somebody thought to take some beans. So let's open it up and see. I'm using a scissor to open it. Some of these bags have little Ziplocs and some don't. It doesn't really smell very strong of anything. So let's see. Here's what they look like. It doesn't even look like a bean to me. It looks like a piece of corn, but it's not. I don't know what kind of bean it is, but boy, is that good. It's very flavorful. Very flavorful. You know, what a great idea to take beans and make them into a snack, because then you get the protein. That's good. All right. Next we have this. Oh, I had this in a different box, but I had different flavor. In fact, it might have been a different brand. This is Nutruit Pitted Green Olives. It's so cute to me that things that you normally would not find in a carry package, you can take this with you anywhere, are now in packages like this. These are olives, green olives. It says snack with chili and black pepper. So this is a, well, no, I thought it was a Ziploc, but it's not. It opens like this, a little bit easier. It has the, okay. Ooh, it smells strong. Okay, can you see the olives in there? We'll eat one and test it out. There, you can see the chili pepper on there. Very tasty. Go see, a great snack on itself, but to me, I'd love to have some cheese and crackers with that. And then we got this. This is adorable. Now, I would call this full size. Well, actually, even though these are smaller size, this is a full size product for its, you know, one serving. And this one is also one serving. So these are great, like to throw in your lunchbox sizes. And this too. This is Popcornopolis brand. Delicious kettle corn popcorn. Sweet and salty popcorn. So, you know, kettle corn is sweet. So this is adorable. I'm not going to open this right now. This is one serving for the whole cone, and it's 130 calories. What a great treat to carry with you. Take you somewhere, go into the movies or something. Let's get into the next box. And I have it open. This one has four things in it. So let's see what's in here. Again, it comes with the card to let you know what to do. Because don't forget to refer your friends. Oh, if you refer your friends, which I'll have information below, if you go and use my link and you sign up for this, and I get if I get 5 people to sign up for me, I get a box with, I think it said 3 full-size items. So I've already gotten a box like that. I've got a few other boxes coming. They're a little bit behind on that. That's okay. Like I said, we have to be patient with them. So once you sign up, you then can have your family sign up under you so that you get free stuff. They can sign up under me too, but why don't you get the free stuff? You know, that's the whole point of this is, you know, they're not paying me this. It's all free. So it's free to review. But I mean, I'm doing this on my own. I was told about this app by a friend, Laura. She has food, makeup, skin. I'll put her in the description. And she knows about all these kinds of fun things. And she told me about this app. And I have just been telling you guys about it, and a lot of you are signing up. So it's just a lot of fun. I think it's a lot of fun. So in this box, this one, there are 4 items, and we're starting off right away with something that I just love, this kind of fun stuff. I'll show it to you. It's called, once again, look at that cute raccoon. This is lightly sweetened, creamy sunflower seed butter. I love all kinds of nut butters, all kinds. I love them. And they're just this makes a fantastic snack. Talk about protein, there'll be some in here. This is peanut free. So if you have a peanut allergy, this is the perfect kind of thing for you to use. This has 220 calories. It's one package is a serving. And what you're supposed to do, because the oils separate and stuff, is you knead it a little bit before you open it. And then you can squeeze that right on your apple, right on some crackers, right on your bread and spread it out. Put some jelly on, whatever you like to do. It's non-GMO. It is, let's see, it's organically grown, dry roasted sunflower seeds, organic sugar, organic sunflower oil. There's some salts. So it's all, that's it. That's what's in there. It's all natural. So it's wonderful. I'm excited to try that. I love any kind of nut butter. And then we have this. Ooh, I did see a thing. They also are on Instagram. Great place if you have any questions for them. I saw them show this. This is a churro. This is the brand Unite. And it's churro made with real almond butter. So, you know, a churro is those fabulous Mexican desserts. They're long and skinny, and they deep fry them, and then they coat them in like sugar and cinnamon. Oh, they're so good. So this will be interesting. It says churro flavors. What is it exactly, though? Is it a snack? Is it a crunchy almonds and vanilla dusted with cinnamon? We're on a mission to prove diversity is delicious. We hope Unite bars take you on a fun flavor escape. All right, let's look at it. I'm assuming it's just churro flavored, and then it will be, yeah, churro flavored. It's not going to look like a churro. Okay, it's going to be some sort of like a protein bar or something. This is what it looks like. Oh, it smells cinnamony. You know, this kind of thing I love for a snack at work or for breakfast when I'm in a hurry. So this is 190 calories, and that's one serving, and it has 11 grams of protein. See, perfect for breakfast, perfect for on-the-go snack. It smells good. It's soft. It feels chewy. So it's just the kind of thing I like for a protein bar. So I'm going to put that back in here. I'm going to put that in a Ziploc bag and take that to work. I like to have, when I'm in a hurry and I don't get breakfast, I like to have things at my job that I can grab out of I have a drawer, you know, of goodies, and I can grab it out and have a great snack or have a great breakfast. Then we have this Rip Van fruit snacks. I love gummies. This only has 1 gram of fat. I'm sorry, 1 gram of sugar. 1 gram of sugar. There's 40 calories in this little sack, and 2 grams net of carbs. So it's a low carb gummy is what it is. It's got sugar beet fiber, water, and gelatin. Ooh, they smell good. They smell like Jell-O. It smells just like Jell-O. You know, when you make Jell-O, that's what it smells like. So that'll be a great snack. This is getting long, so I'm going to go on to the last thing. Then we have this. Let me show it to you right quick. Pitos, a jam of junk food taste that's plant-based. See, good, healthy stuff. But in the meantime, you and the kids aren't going to know it because it looks like a snack. This is crunchy pizza rings. They look like, what are those onion things? I can't think of the name of it right now. This is 2 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, no MSG, no GMOs, no artificial flavors, and it's gluten-free also. And there's 70 calories in this bag, in this snack bag. And the serving size is about 11 chips, it says. So let's open this up and see. Oh, it says to tear here. All right, we'll do that. And, ooh, they smell good. They do, it smells like pizza. Funyuns, that's what I'm thinking. They look like Funyuns. You know what? It tastes just like pizza. See, that's a great snack for your kids. They never would know that you're fooling them a little bit because this is a great snack. And it has lentil flour in it. So they're getting some good healthy stuff in here and they don't know it. They'll think, oh, Mom gave me a snack. Delicious, y'all. So I am just so excited about all this. It's so much fun to try all these free, fun things. So thank you so much to Nosherie for sending me this fabulous stuff, and I hope you all enjoy this video and count your blessings. And like I said, look below for the link. Get signed up, and then get your family and friends to sign up under you, and you'll get more free things. Thanks so much for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody.